Good morning and welcome to Family Computer Center. In this video, we are going to discuss about the arithmetic operators in C++ language. In C++ or in any other programming languages, operators are symbols used for performing some operations. So there are different types of operators supported by C++ like arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators, assignment operator, concatenation operator. There is many types of operators in C++. So in this program we are going to learn about what are arithmetic operators and how to use them. Arithmetic operators are nothing but our calculation symbols: plus, minus, multiply, divide. So those are the basic four arithmetic operators. So let's try to use them by making a simple calculator. So here I just declared two variables, f number and s number. F number stands for the first number and s number stands for the second number. So my program aim is to read first number and second number from the user and show him all the possibilities of arithmetic operators using the numbers read from him, like added result, subtracted result, multiplied result and divided result. Let's do that. Okay, so first we want to receive the um, first number and second number. So I'm saying, like, what is your first number? Then I will use a scene statement for reading the first number, f number. Then I will write cout second number. Okay, then I'm just reading it into s number variable. So I'm putting space before and after the operators, output operators and input operators. There is no necessary to put those space. I just want my program to look neat and clean. That's why I'm putting like these spaces before and after these symbols. Okay. So now I'm saying like cout. Then I will simply say added. Okay. Then I will out again, then I will say f number plus s number. So here we use an arithmetic operator, arithmetic additional operator, to calculate the addition. Okay, then I will do the second one, then I will say subtracted. I will say f number minus s number. Okay, then I will say divided. Then f number divided by s number. Okay, then I will say multiplied. Then I will say f number multiply s number. So these are my results. Okay, so anyways, I want to show this in multiple lines, so I'm gonna make some line breaks by adding slash n at the beginning of each statement so that it will look neat and clean. Okay, so if I need to show a particular heading as simple calculator, I can write a cout for that also. I will say like simple calculator. Okay, make a line break and put some dashes so that we will get some underlines for the simple calculator text. And here we can make one more line break. Okay, so now let's compile this program. So I'm just going here and click on the compile button. Okay, so compiling is done. There is no errors, no warnings. So let's try to execute this one. So when I click this one, you can see here it is showing simple calculator and it is asking me what is your first number. So I'm giving like my first number is 10. What about your second number? Second number is 5. So you can see added, subtracted, divided and multiplied result are displayed here. So now you can see this result and all these things are not displayed in a correct position. So I can adjust that by using adding some tab to it. Okay, so I will do that. First let me remove some underline. So I'm giving a small tab here. Here also one tab. So slash T is the escape character used to get the tabs. Okay. So here also we will go with one tab, one tab, one tab. So many times maybe you need to rectify this by looking at the output and rectifying it again and again to get the best result. Okay. So I will compile it again. Each time when you make a change in the program, you are supposed to compile it. Okay. So when I run this program, it is asking me what is your first number, 15, what is your second number, 5. So there you go. The result comes in proper position and the results are the right results. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to our channel so that you will not miss any further video we post.